Planning a big trip can feel like a second job with endless maps, spreadsheets, email confirmations, and those sticky notes you swear you'll organize later. But what if an app could do it all for you and actually do it well? Hey GadInsiders, welcome back. Enter RoadTrippers, the app that turns chaotic road trip planning into a whole new experience. Whether you're traveling across New Zealand's epic landscapes or cruising the Pacific Coast Highway, RoadTrippers gives you the tools to build a perfect getaway or lets AI to do it for you. Just plug in your start and end points, then add as many stops or detours as your heart desires. Restaurants, attractions, scenic overlooks, fuel stops, all will be searchable along your route with helpful details like opening hours, websites, and Yelp ratings. No, you'll have to hop out of the app to read full reviews. But here's where things get clever. It has an autopilot feature. Just answer a few quick questions, and RoadTrippers uses data from over 38 million real trips to create a trip for you. You can edit it or just sit back and let it guide you. It's perfect for those moments when decision fatigue hits and you just want someone or someone else to take over. And that's not all. You can add family or friends and give them planning privileges too. No more "who booked the hotel" group text. It's all there in one place. While RoadTrippers offers a free version, the real power lies in the $59.99 per year premium plan, which unlocks autopilot, extra features, and kind of trip planning magic that justifies the price. Available for trips in the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. It's the travel companion you didn't know you needed until now. So if your next road trip deserves less stress and more adventure, RoadTrippers might just be your choice. Are you gonna give it a shot? Tell us in the comments. Hit the like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Press the bell icon so you never miss any update.